Hi everyone! Today we will see how we can deploy applications directly into your environment using the Deployment Manager tool. You can find the Deployment Manager tool at the bottom of the dashboard. To deploy your applications, you'll find two options: Archive, to upload any projects from your local files, or Git SVN, linked to your project within the remote Git SVN repository. So let's dig in. The Archive tab within the Deployment Manager sections allows you to view all applications archives stored within your account. You will see its name, some comments, the size, and the upload date. If you click on Upload, a dialog box will appear where you can browse for the file located on your machine. Just use Local File and Browser, or anywhere over the internet using the URL option. You should note that the maximum archive size for the local file upload is 150 MB. However, if your application size exceeds this limit, please just use the URL option. So, I've already uploaded from my local machine this file, and now I just want to deploy it. So just click on this button, Deploy to, select your environment, so let's call it my environment, and click Deploy. You will see that it's deploying, it might take a few seconds. And you can also remove the no longer required archives by selecting them and clicking on the Delete button here. Okay. Just click yes, that's it. If you want to remove this deployment, just click on the Delete button over there. Click yes. Okay, so now you know how to use the Archive tab of the Deployment Manager and how it works, and you can use it to organize your deployment packages. So let's dig in the Git SVN tab now. Just click on the Git SVN tab of your Deployment Manager, then click on Add Repo button. You can name it as you please. Let's say Hello World. Add the URL you want. By default, you will see master. Now, you can also tick the user authentication and provide the login credentials and use password or token or SSH key if needed. So I don't use it. And just click Add. Perfect. The same process we did with the Archive tab. Just click on the Deploy to button, select your environment, and build and deploy. So now you can see build project, my environment, CP root. The process was successfully finished. It is deploying into my environment, and it should be successful within a minute. So now you know how to manage your projects within the UKHost4u Deployment Manager, and you successfully deployed it into your environment. So now remember, you have a 14 days free trial to try our platform, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching. Bye.